Procurement is the process of buying goods or services. This is control over spending money, over the process, tendering or competitive bidding process, and over cost itself. Therefore, procurement is costs management, and it is always associated with cutting costs and costs analysis. In procurement, we work with price. We are price negotiators. Besides price, we always negotiate three parameters: quantity, quality, delivery time, and delivery location. We need to manage Incoterms. Therefore, logistics is also a part of procurement, with expediters doing their job. I call them pushers. They push to get things delivered. In other words, procurement is also called purchasing management or supply chain management, indirect and direct procurement, depending if this is a purchase to fulfill internal needs or a purchase for production to fulfill external or clients' demand. Management of suppliers, vendors, business partners. Sometimes we have to add or replace a supplier, then we do sourcing. With mergers and acquisitions, we do strategic sourcing. Procurement is pure commercial management. We need to supervise contracts and purchase orders with terms and conditions. And this is why it is also called contracts management. The person working in procurement is a buyer or purchaser. Basically, there are two types of buyers. OPEX buyer, where the purchase is related to production, and CAPEX buyer, capital expenditure, investment buyer, quantity surveyor, depending on the region of the world. And it is related to project or program procurement, with this little difference, these nuances between those two words. And at the end there is commodity buyer, where commodity can be actually anything. This can be tools, stationery, bumper, glass, chemicals, cables, anything. So commodity buyer buys it all. So next time you hear procurement, I hope it is a little bit more clear about its duties.